Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to add extension of Klarna. Klarna is one of the most used application for shopping online. So you need to write Klarna here. This is the website, financial service company, and then you need to click to this website, Klarna shopping level up. So here you see Klarna was found. This is their introduction, but we don't need this one. What we're going to do is Klarna add extension. Okay, here you see Klarna shop now, pay later. Even you can pay later by this. Overview of this application is automatic coupon, cashback, and pay anywhere with Klarna. Use the Klarna extension to pay when you shop online, including at top brands like Macy's, eBay, Walmart, and Nike. The Klarna extension automatically finds you the best coupon, cashback, or points is applicable when you shop at our 20,000 store. With just one click, we test different codes and apply the best one to your card. From pizza to shoes, like for eating and everything, handbag to travel, our member shop knows they will get to deal. So this is very useful app. You can see there are 4.8 star out of 5. So here you go, you add extension, here you click, and Klarna shopping store will be added to your Chrome. So this is how you're gonna do it. See you in the next video.